Every day, millions of used soap bars are thrown away. Left behind in hotel rooms after just a few uses. To most people, it's just waste, something small, insignificant, and easily replaced. But what if this everyday item could have a second life? What if something as simple as soap could actually help save lives? Because around the world, millions of people still lack access to basic hygiene. And something as simple as washing your hands can make the difference between health and disease. So even if a bar of soap has been used before, its structure still allows it to clean effectively. What matters is the washing process itself. A used bar of soap might not look clean, but it's not as unsafe as it seems. Even when soap appears contaminated, it still works in a very specific way. Soap molecules are unique. They have two sides. One side is attracted to water, and the other is attracted to oils and bacteria. When you wash your hands, these molecules surround dirt and trap harmful microorganisms. They break them apart and lift them away from the surface. Then, when water flows over your skin, those particles are washed away completely. So even if a bar of soap has been used before, its structure still allows it to clean effectively. What matters is the washing process itself. For recycled soap to be safe on an industrial scale, it must go through a complete transformation. And that transformation starts here. Before any machine is used, every single bar must be inspected. Workers sort through thousands of used soaps, removing wrappers, plastic, and anything that doesn't belong. Then comes the first critical step. The outer layer is removed, scraped away to eliminate visible impurities. What remains is a clean core, ready for industrial processing. From here, the process becomes faster, louder, and far more powerful. The soap is fed into industrial shredders, where hardened bars are broken down. Into thin flakes, sometimes called soap noodles. This step is essential because by increasing the surface area, the next phase becomes far more effective. next phase is where science takes over. The shredded material is transferred into sealed industrial systems. Inside these chambers, temperature and pressure are carefully controlled. The soap is heated and treated with specialized solutions designed to eliminate harmful bacteria. At precise conditions, pathogens are destroyed. While the chemical structure of the soap remains intact. This is what transforms uncertain material into something safe and reliable. But the process doesn't stop there. Now that the base is purified, it's time to rebuild it. Then comes one of the most satisfying stages, compression. The mixture is fed into a powerful extruder where it is pushed under high pressure through a narrow opening. Slowly, a continuous block of soap emerges, smooth, dense, and perfectly formed. This long, solid structure is then guided forward toward the final shaping process. Precision cutting systems slice the material into individual bars. Each one identical, each one measured to exact dimensions, from waste to uniformity, from discarded fragments to a finished product. And finally, each bar is stamped, giving it identity and purpose. At this point, there is no visible trace of its past. No sign that it was once discarded, only a clean, refined, usable product. But the real value of this process goes beyond the factory, because these bars are not just reused, they are redistributed.
Thank you so much. May God bless you. You're very welcome.
sent to communities where access to hygiene is limited, where a simple bar of soap can help prevent disease and improve daily life. What started as something forgotten now plays a role in protecting health and supporting people around the world, all through a process that combines human effort, industrial precision, and scientific control, a transformation that most people never get to see. If you enjoy discovering how everyday materials are transformed into something valuable, subscribe to True Factory Process and see what happens inside the world's most powerful industries.